Hey guys, welcome back to Bean Creek Woodworks. I'm Scott, and today we're on a sawmill. We ain't done that in a while. Got my can already sawed up. We're gonna make some boards for that trailer today. So 9.5 by 9 I think my can is, and we're gonna make new blades on. Take another thin strip just to level it out. Black butter. Alright, away we go, 1.5 inches thick. Alright, well, not the most pretty wood in the world, but old black oak's got a lot of knots in it, but it'll do. I got a big old lump right here. I'm gonna stand these up on end and I'll cut that off. Give her a little trim. This back one we're gonna trim. We're gonna cut this one down to just a shy under 4 inches. We'll flip it up on its side and we'll cut a 2x4 or 2 off of it, and that'll fit in our stake pockets on our trailer. So let's do that next. Alright, we got it flipped up on edge. 1.5 inches by 4.5, 3.5. 1.5 by 3.5. take and confirm it's right. Right on the money. Just like that, set of racks. Some assembly required. Let's go get them cleaned up and... Alright guys, well, I spared you all the drilling and bolting together, but I got it put together. Looking pretty good, solid oak. So I bolted solid. We used 3.5 inch carriage bolts. Sorry about the shadow. There you go, that's better. 3.5 carriage bolts, and then we put a 1 inch lag down in the bottom so they don't rattle or nothing. So looking pretty good. The only thing I really kind of doubted is I thought about maybe cutting these corners off the front. You know, maybe putting a 45 on here. I don't know. I have not decided, but that's it. That's looking good. We'll have to take it over and show the guys at the quarry, see what they think. Hope they don't try to full rocks now. It won't carry that many, but for other things, by God, I think we're all set. Alright guys, well I guess that's gonna do it for this one. Like I say, I spared you all the bolting together. I'm sure you guys know how to bolt stuff together and drill holes, so. But yeah, this will come in nice now for hauling brush or hauling logs or hauling firewood. We'll have that little extra on there. Pretty excited about it, I guess. Wanted to put them on, so got them sawed up today and put on. So on to the next adventure, I guess. So what else? Oh, we had that leftover on the sawmill. That'll become a 4x4. We got a whole bunch of 4x4s I gotta saw up to get all my wood baskets up off the ground before winter. So probably gonna get some sawmill videos in here pretty quick, and then we're right on to firewood, guys. We gotta get that processor. I gotta go up and check, see if that thing will even start. It ain't been started in months, so we'll go up and check, see if that baby starts, get that under control, and sawmill's back up. I was a little rusty there at the beginning. By golly, we had to put a new blade on it. I couldn't believe that blade was that dull, but yeah, it was. So got that fixed. We're good to go now. So what else? I guess that's about it, guys. As usual, I appreciate you. Hit the like and subscribe, man. I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one.